We're going to show you how to clean and care for a Blanco Silgranite Puradur sink. Stains and signs of daily use can easily be removed with a scouring sponge, water and a little washing up liquid. After cleaning, just rinse with water and wipe dry. Often, greasy residues remain in the sink after washing up greasy items. A little washing up liquid on a sponge is all you need to remove even stubborn greasy stains from your Silgranite sink. Again, just rinse when you've finished and wipe dry to prevent limescale marks. Metal objects can leave visible marks on the hard surface of Silgranite. These marks are easy to remove with a little washing up liquid. Ideally, use the rough side of a scouring sponge. Incidentally, the best way to avoid limescale marks is to wipe your Silgranite sink dry with a microfiber cloth after every use. For stubborn limescale marks or discoloration, we recommend cleaning the sink thoroughly with a standard detergent or Blanco Active. Designed specifically for Blanco Silgranite Puradur sinks, it provides the most effective results. First, close the sink and then sprinkle Blanco Active powder liberally around the bowl. Then fill the bowl with at least 60 degrees centigrade hot water from the tap or ideally from a kettle. Sprinkle a few cups of the solution over the drainer surface and anywhere else where there are limescale deposits. Leave Blanco Active to work for at least 2 hours and ideally overnight. When you've finished soaking the sink, clean it with a scouring sponge and wipe it dry. And you can be sure of the perfect cleaning results. If a sink is used for several years without being cleaned and cared for regularly, it can be left with marks on the surface that make it look as if it is discolored. Blanco Active dissolves this layer of dirt and restores the sink to its original color. To retain the quality of your Blanco Silgranite Puradur sink, please observe the following. Wipe your sink dry after every use. Clean the sink thoroughly at least every 4 weeks with Blanco Active or a standard detergent. We support our customers and partners in all service matters.